After a lot of research, I've decided on this beveled mirror for my bathroom, so let me unbox it for you. Now it looks like it comes really well packaged. And then it's fully encased and taped in styrofoam. Moment of truth. It's got some weight to it. I don't see any scratches or distortions. It does have a few smudges, but it looks really great overall. And on the back, you'll see a variety of hooks. So you can choose whether you want to hang it landscape or portrait. We'll be hanging ours portrait, so I will undo the tape on these. And it doesn't come with the hardware, but you really just need 2 flathead screws. They can handle 50 pounds if it's hanging, 100 pounds if it's leaning. Now, one of the parts I really wanted to see is this wood component right here. The mirror has been installed directly onto this piece of wood, so it's quite heavy. And I was curious how well painted this was and how the corners looked. And they look really, really nice. Really clean, beautiful throughout. And then the mirror itself, as you can see, is just gorgeous. Really, really striking. Would be beautiful in an entryway. We're going to install it in my bathroom. And installation was super simple. Here is the terrible mirror we did have in the bathroom. And here is the Empire Art Direct mirror. Such an improvement. Really made our bathroom shine. And I love how it looks. It's a little on the tall side, but I wanted more height in this room as I am tall, and the prior mirror just wasn't tall enough for me. The thickness is just exactly as thick as we could handle with our lights, and the wood frame really looks nice throughout. It has that nice sheen. It's really quite a beautiful mirror. I love it.